So if you're keeping your calories in check and you want to do something good for your heart, generally staying away from red meat or limiting it to amount of maybe once a week is a good choice. Things like loin and round are better choices than other red meat products because they have less marbling in it. And you can see the marbling, by marbling I mean the fat in it. You can see it generally if you look at the cut of the meat. You can see a lot more fatty pieces in there. I know it gives different flavors, but you can change your cooking technique to really enhance the leaner cuts of meat. Other meat choices can be things like fish and poultry, like chicken and turkey. Those are also very lean and have less saturated fat in them. You can also, if you're choosing the fish products, just make sure that it wasn't previously frozen before, because once it's thawed, you cannot refreeze it. So if you're staying on budget, just choose the frozen fish products instead.